We are at Wyrestorm stand. Hello, how are you?
I'm great, thank you.
And what's your name?
I'm Dave Schorah with Wyrestorm.
What do you do for Wyrestorm?
I am product manager of everything that sits within our native HDMI, HD-Base-T, extender, matrix, switcher range.
So show me what excites you the most on this table.
Excites me most. I'll tell you what excites me most. Actually, it's dealing with native HDMI signals, which we can do in a variety of ways these days. We've got native HDMI matrix switches, 4x4, 6x6, and 8x8 platforms with audio D-embed, and they are the perfect partner for our active optical HDMI cables. This means we can have an 18 gig transmission coming in from a source device through the backplane, straight out on HDMI, over an active optical cable to a zone. At that point there's very little signal conversion, there's no compression involved at that point. It's dealing with a native HDMI signal from the source to the zone. And we can also de-embed audio within that matrix. CEC triggering can be done and sent over these active opticals. So it's a very viable medium-range transmission solution up to 50 meters.
You have 15% off.
15% off today.
Thank you, David.
No problem, thank you.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. Click below to subscribe and be sure to follow Inside CI on Twitter, Facebook and Google+.